Good morning. It's not good morning. It's actually 8 o'clock. 8 something. Anyway, Six Dad here, Craig here. I'm back on the 84 today. I've got to get this thing done since I bought another project. So anyway, here's my mess. It is a mess. And lighting sucks, guys. Sorry, but it is what it is. I got it up on ramps. And I've got to drain the gas tank on this thing. And there's some straps which I'll show you, which are right there. They're cable straps, I guess, for safety. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta put those on, and I'm trying to find some bolts and nuts, and so far with that I've found two. Anyway, as for the 84, well, it hasn't been fired up. I haven't turned it over. I haven't worked on this thing probably close to 2 months. Life happens, that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm back on it again. As of right now, I'll take you underneath and show you what we got going on. Because I had to drop the gas, not the gas tank, but the tire thing. I'm in cramped quarters here. I have so much room. Anyway, here's what we got going on. Let me get it light here. Well, see if I can make this work. It's not looking good. Is that it? No, let's do that. That works better. Okay. That cable right there. Yeah, that one goes there. And that one there. I drop this down. See, the suspension on this thing's pretty freaking cool. Guy spent way too much money on a car that's worthless, actually, to be honest. But anyway, I gotta get those on. So I got 2 nuts. I gotta find 2 more, and then I'll get that put together. And then I'm gonna drain the gas, pull the gas tank sending it out, and let me do this without hurting myself. There we go. Look at this thing, guys. This is cool. That's a spare tire, by the way. Look at this. She has got a, I'll tell you here in a minute what suspension it is. It's called VBP suspension on it. I did not do this back stuff. When I got the car, this is what it came with. I don't know if I did a video on this. I might have. It doesn't really matter at this point in time. It's been so long anyway. Yeah. So that's that. Kind of cool. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. There's the suspension. I think you see it on right there. Let me see if I can make that work there. So everything on this thing is new. Anyway, I gotta get a bolt for that. So I'm gonna shut you guys down. I'll get back when I get that done, and then maybe I'll record a little bit on getting the sending unit out. Anyway. Oops, let's try that again. There we go. Craig here. I'm out. Bye. I'm back. There it is. I haven't pulled that out yet, but I got all the hoses loose. Look at all this fun stuff that you have to take apart to make this work. Anyway, this car's so old. The hoses are rock solid, so I don't know. We're going to see where it goes. Anyway. We gotta share that. The underneath part I'm gonna have to work on tomorrow because I can't find I only found 2 bolts or nuts and I need a couple more, so we'll go and get some of those later. But anyway, this is it. I'm about ready to take this apart and pull it out, so I'll be back. I'm back. Oh, check this out, guys. It didn't have any gas in it. I don't know if it all evaporated out, but there's the fuel pump right there. Float. It all looks pretty good, actually. I'm going to put a new fuel pump in it because I have no idea if the fuel pump works, and quite frankly I've already got it apart, so why not? But there is absolutely 0 gas in it, which is pretty cool because I had no idea what I was getting myself into. This car sat for a long time. Anyway, you get looking here. Let me see if I can get in there. There we go. See, there's nothing in there. It is empty. Once you drop that in, I'll never get it out. Anyway. She stinks, but she's out. So I'm going to order a new fuel pump and a new gasket. And I can't believe how clean it is, but the guy drained it out, or it evaporated, or whatever. I do not know. He probably drained it all out. But yeah. So I don't know if the fuel pump's been pulled out or not. I couldn't tell you. But there it is. It's pretty cool. Let me see if I can turn. There we go. Pretty decent, huh? 1984. We're like really old. And we'll go from there. I don't know what else to do with it. This is a short video. I've got to get this car to run, so I've got to get the fuel pump to work. I've got to get fuel to the engine, and then pretty much there I'm going to put the exhaust system on it. I'd like to get this thing running in the next few weeks or months, because I need to get this out of my garage. I got the heater going on. I see that. Pretty cool, huh? All that being said, I've been putting it off, and dealing with other cars and other stuff, so. But this will be running. And if the motor's bad, which I do not know if it's any good, I don't know if the Trinity's any good, it's all a crapshoot. You got Jesse's car over there. I got the IROC back here. She's back in a spot. And but it's cold out. And I wanted to get this done. I played hooky from work today, so I called in. I used vacation. It's legal. But good news, there's nothing in the tank, so that makes my day. And I'll put a fuel pump on it. I'll order one, and we will go from there. That all being said, I am out of here. We'll see you guys all later, and I'll keep you updated on this beast, the 84, and I'll show you guys a peek of the new one I got. See you guys all later. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Fix It Dad, Craig here. My new project, 73 Corvette. We're again in the process of getting it and dragging it to a friend's house. In a few months, I'll be working on it. Anyway, I'll give you a quick overview. She's rough, but she's here. This is the way it looks right there. There it is there. Does have a motor in it. She's mostly intact. Not quite always, but she's intact. We have rust, its original color. Frame is rusty on it. But for what I paid for it, I'm not complaining. There's what we got right here. All the glass is good on it. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, so anyway, I found one. Anyway, out. See you guys all later. Bye.